Hey guys, I come out to my car today and my tire pressure is low because it is a little cold. Tire pressures will get low. Just getting ready to pump it up, and then look. I'm thinking, what happened here? I asked my kids, nobody knows. This was a way that I pump up tires. So now it's useless. Well, kind of. So I got myself a couple things recently on Amazon. This is for pumping up your tires, and this is for measuring your tire pressure. I decided to upgrade myself a little bit. I got these things a little before Christmas and only now opening my presents. So first, let's take a look at tire pressure gauge. Let's see what it comes with. Oh, it comes with 2 batteries. Great. Okay. All right. What do you put them in? Okay, it does say positive and negative, so we're gonna put a positive. We're gonna put a negative. The larger spring is the negative, even though it's not marked, but it's kind of obvious, right? So now that's in. So all I'm seeing is a couple of zeros, and it looks like it's picking it up. So that's PSI. So KPA, bar, PSI. So all I want is PSI. All right, so that's good. Let's take a look at this unit. ETENWOLF T500. Wow. I must say, I like this. I don't expect that. And that looks like it glows with the light shining at it. Whoa, I got everything in here. Well, here's the batteries. Let's get started with that. This is cool. I'm really excited about this. Batteries are wrapped really nicely. There's one. No way. They even put that little thing on. I can't believe that. That's cool. I like the fact that they have these straps here. That's nice that this is already on here. I mean, they sent Teflon tape, but this is already on. That's unusual. All right, so what do I need the batteries for? Oh, right here. Okay, never mind. All right, so this is where the batteries goes. Bam. Bam. Okay, so now that's closed. All right, that's cool. That's cool. When you're pumping it up, you can just close it and it's gonna hold it there. So that's good. So you just basically just spin this on here. Is this metal? Yeah, it feels metal. Good quality stuff. Can't believe what I don't remember what I paid for this. Around like 20 bucks or so. I didn't expect to get much, but this is more than I expected. So this is a good expectation. So this is nice that they include this. Very nice. You guys know what this is? Well, this is actually for pulling out those things, the valves, whatever, the stems. So what do we have here? Ooh, look at that! I got a set of 8, and they're metal. They feel nice and cold because it's cold outside right now. Wow. Well, that's nice. What's in here? No way. No way. Look at this, guys. How crazy is that? This is actually what I was talking about. This is what you spin out. Like when one goes bad, let's say you got a leaky tire, but you can't find a hole. Sometimes it's like one of these. Well, this is great. Wow. and that's what you use to install them. And of course, this is for pumping up like mattresses or what have you, like with one of these, or balloons. This is for pumping up your soccer balls, and I don't know what this is. That's cool. I don't care. Well, time to go pump up my tires. All right, so what you need to do, guys, is this. If you want to find out your tire pressure in your tires, just come in here and look at this here. 30 psi for the front, 30 psi for the rear. The spare has 60 psi. So this has everything you need for the tire, size and pressure. So over here it says 225 by 60 R18s, and then 225 by 60 R18s for the rear. So now that we have that squared away, we know it's 30 psi. Let's go ahead and actually measure this wheel. This one doesn't look bad. You should see what the front one looks like. It's also missing the caps, so it's a good thing that I got some free ones. 21.7. Well, it does not look bad, but 21.7? Are you kidding me? This what happens when you're basically in the winter time, sometimes cold pressures and whatnot, so you gotta adjust your tire pressure. So I gotta do just that. So let's see how well this works. Let's see, we're just gonna put this on like that. Wow, it immediately shows 21. It shows 122 pressure right now. When you let go, it measures it, 29.3. Okay, that's 33 pounds right now. 33 psi. That's 32. Actually, now that I got this, I can just measure with this here. .6, 30.5. I'm good with that. What I like about this here compared to my Harbor tool and freight one, because I like to keep one in my shop, is that this actually shows me the correct pressure when I let go, when it remeasures. I actually have to readjust my Harbor tool and freight one to actually show me what the correct pressure is. So this is good that it actually shows me the correct one. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.